Have try a quick model of a monogram pencil. So let's just add a plane, okay, and scale it, and that will be enough. So a monogram pencil. So what we obviously need is a UV sphere, and we'll just move that, and okay, and we'll try to keep the half part. Okay, something's missing, and that's the basic shape, and we'll just bring it down a notch and scale it up. Okay. Now we have that. Let's just add the thickness in the modifiers and solidify. It's probably very thick. I'm just referencing from images, so it may not look like one, but certainly that will be enough. Just apply the modifier and back into edit mode, and we'll try to give it the shape, and we'll bring up the bottom part so it has a flat surface, and this, that's something that really. So now here we have a flat border. So now it sort of look like in water. So we'll just flatten the surface and give this subdivision surface modifier for extra smoothness. So okay, but it must dip slightly on our base, so we'll fix that. Uh, we'll just add a crease there, and it looks sort of better, but I'll try to make it better. Just bring it up. Okay, now it has the shape. Okay, uh, now we'll move on to texturing. So I had already downloaded a image texture, so we'll just bring up the node editor and just we'll just bring up the node editor and add it. So what I want is mixed shader, so it has that glossiness and that roughness of that ceramic. So I will just add a mixed shader and a glossy shader. You could use glass, and that will probably give you a much better result, but you will have to do a lot of tweaking. So let me just do this tweak, and we will add a texture coordinate. And since this is sort of a let's say complicated shape, we'll be doing UV unwrapping. So we just give it a texture coordinate of UV, and if we render it now, you can see that purple or violet color. That's because there's no texture. So we just open the texture, and now if we render, so you can see there's no detail. First of all, let me add a lamp so you can see better. Okay. You see there's no texture. So to fix that, we'll have to do UV unwrapping. So moving on to the UV editor and opening the texture back into material, and we'll be UV unwrapping this. So we'll add a crease sort of like right here, and UV, sorry, smart UV project, and you can see that has divided the object. So if you move on to rendered mode now, you can see it's got quite a bit of glossiness. We don't need that much, so moving back onto the node editor, and we'll just move the factor down so that it has got the roughness of that ceramic. So bringing it up close, you can see the texture. And if we just move back onto the object mode, and we'll just give the base a color, or even an image texture. Let's just give it an image texture of wood. I think I have texture of wood. So do you have any plans? Okay. Okay, maybe this. And generated, since this is a flat a, we may not need to UV wrap that. So but you can see the texture is quite large, so we just bring up the size of the ball, sort of like that. And so, but problem is when we resize the wood, it sort of brings up the texture with it. So to fix that, so let's make the ball smaller again. We'll UV wrap this too. So back on to the UV editor, and you can see the image and unwrap. So now if you make it smaller here and just give the texture coordinate to UV, you can see that we can pretty much do what we want. Okay, if you make it bigger, and now you can see the planks are the size we want.